Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide we will walk through the WatchGuard Essentials exam syllabus and what you need to study to pass. The exam covers 6 domains with exact weights: policies and proxies 25%, subscription services 25%, network and networking services 15%, virtual private networking, VPN 15%, logging, monitoring, and reporting 10%, and device management and authentication 10%. Each domain lists its focus, difficulty, estimated learning time, and assessment style to help you plan study time and practice. Policies and proxies is weighted at 25%, rated hard, and estimated at 12 hours with hands-on and conceptual assessment. You will learn firewall policy fundamentals including the difference between packet filters and proxy policies, rule order and precedence, schedule-based enforcement, and how to define source and destination aliases. You will also configure proxies and inspection for HTTP, HTTPS and other protocols, manage SSL/TLS certificates for HTTPS inspection, and perform deep packet inspection and troubleshooting for proxy-related traffic drops. Finally, application control covers creating profiles, managing application categories, enforcing usage by user or group, and linking application signatures to policies for effective traffic control. Subscription services carries 25% weight, is medium difficulty, and requires about 10 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessments. This domain focuses on deploying and optimizing WatchGuard unified security services like Gateway Antivirus, IPS, and App Blocker for sandboxing suspicious files. You will configure scan levels, understand intelligent AV and AI-driven detection, and manage threat exceptions and blocked site lists. Content and reputation topics include configuring web blocker categories and overrides, reputation-enabled defense, spam blocker setup, geolocation blocking, botnet detection, and monitoring signature updates. Network and networking services is 15% of the exam, medium difficulty, and estimated at 8 hours with hands-on and conceptual testing. Expect to configure interface and routing modes including mixed routing, bridge, and drop-in, set up external and trusted interfaces, VLANs and link aggregation, and work with static and basic dynamic routes. You will manage multi-one load balancing and failover, configure DNS forwarding and DHCP services, and implement NAT scenarios such as hide NAT, static port forwarding, one-to-one mappings, and server load balancing. Troubleshooting NAT translation, hairpinning, and routing behavior is emphasized for real deployment readiness. Virtual private networking, also 15%, is rated hard and estimated at 10 hours with scenario-based assessment. This domain covers branch office VPN configuration including Phase 1 and Phase 2 IPsec settings, gateway and tunnel definitions, BOVPN virtual interfaces, BOVPN over TLS, failover and dead peer detection, and tunnel negotiation troubleshooting. Mobile VPN topics include deploying ICAV2 and SSL VPNs, L2TP options, client configuration files, split tunneling versus full tunneling choices, user authentication methods, and managing the Firebox SSL VPN certificate. Practical scenarios will test your ability to design secure site-to-site and remote access tunnels under real constraints. Logging, monitoring, and reporting accounts for 10%, is easy in difficulty, and takes about 5 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will use Firebox System Manager for real-time tracking, monitor traffic with the front panel and traffic monitor, and run diagnostic tasks like TCP dumps and traceroutes to investigate issues. The syllabus also covers WatchGuard Cloud Visibility, managing log levels and notification triggers, interpreting log messages and threat indicators, and configuring the WatchGuard log server, report server and dimension for user and policy reports, understanding data retention, scheduling automated reports, and troubleshooting reporting pipelines is included. Device management and authentication is the final 10%, considered easy, and estimated at 5 hours with hands-on and conceptual testing. Study system administration tasks such as fireware OS updates, creating and restoring configuration backups, managing feature keys and licenses, and configuring administrative users, NTP and SNMP settings while learning differences between Policy Manager and the Fireware Web UI. Authentication topics include Firebox DB local auth, integration with Radius, LDAP and Active Directory, implementing off-point multi-factor authentication, configuring an authentication portal, setting up SSO agents, and managing active user sessions and timeouts. Practical exercises will ensure you can maintain devices and secure user access in production environments. That wraps up the WatchGuard Essentials syllabus overview. Use the domain weights, difficulty ratings, and estimated study hours to build a focused study plan, and practice hands-on labs where assessments are practical. Good luck preparing, and check the official documentation links for detailed configuration steps during your study.